Hi, everyone. In this demonstration, we're going to learn how to add trade simulation information to the investment strategy proposal document. As we know, trade simulations can help us demonstrate the potential impact of proposed trades on the client's current portfolio. It can also help us evaluate different investment strategies and determine which one of those strategies is most suitable for our client. Moreover, with this individual document within the proposal tool, we can identify things such as capital gains, so we can see short term, long term gains, and overall see the impact holistically as we are contemplating a new strategy for our client. So, to get started, for a new account, we can go to create a new proposal. If we are wanting to implement this for a new client that's not in our book of business, we can create our new client there. But let's say we want to do this for an existing client. We can find our existing client and we can pre-fill our information for our client for the first couple of tabs here. So now that we're on the account strategy tab, this is where a lot of moving parts are happening to create that trade simulation information into the proposal document at the end. So to get started, we can identify the specified funding source. And here we can see all the platform accounts that the client currently has on the InvestNet platform. And if we want to add outside accounts, think of something like JP Morgan. The client has an account there and they hand you their statement. And this is where you can upload that portfolio information. That will be here under existing accounts. So to do that, you can hit the plus icon. You can add an investment account. You can select the basic information here. You can select the investment account type. You can give it a name. And then under holding information, you can itemize those holdings from the portfolio statement that the client gives you. Or you can utilize this upload from CSV file option. InvestNet has a template here that you can follow, so you can input those tickers and units and total costs, etc. All of that information into a document and upload the file here, and it'll spit out all of the itemized holdings here. But as a demonstration, I've already done that. So that's what this account is. And here you can see that information, see all the tickers there. Now, if we want to select either of these to be used as the comparison to our new strategy that we're going to select for our client, we can do so. If you're using Pershing as your custodian, if you're wanting to use the client's current account as a funding source, this will be the way to go. If you want to use the full amount, we would use available value. But if you're wanting to use this for a comparison to an outside account for a client, we can do the same thing. We just make sure we select the correct account there. We can save and update the proposal amount. Here's our proposal amount. Select our registration. Make sure your custodian is correct there. And now we can select our strategy that we are thinking of switching our client into. So for example, our client is currently in a moderately conservative risk class. We can find a product that is in that risk class. For example, StoneX Core, moderately conservative. Select the product. And here we can save and continue as we would with any other proposal. We would just make sure our information is correct here. So if we have any account setup settings that we need to implement, cash management, security management, any withdrawal plans, we can do that there. Make sure your fee schedule is correct. Continue. And here is another important step. So under edit options, edit document settings, we will want to look under asset allocations and make sure that the hypothetical trade implementation box is selected. And if we scroll down to the far right under analysis settings, we want to make sure compare proposed investments against current assets is selected. Once those are selected, we want to generate our documents. This may take some time. As that loads, we can review what we've done throughout the proposal process. We can see our account strategy in the program and proposed asset allocation information and our fees as well. Now that that's loaded, we can go under proposal documents and we can download the investment strategy proposal. We can open up our proposal document, and around page 9, we can see the start of the hypothetical trade implementation information. So here you can see the sales and buys. You can see the short-term, long-term gains. So we get to a total here. And within that, we can see the rest of our comparison analysis between the two investment strategies. So this has been a demonstration on how to add trade simulation information inside of a proposal. Thank you.